fun has already started.
Hopes for Draper, says he's a future top 10 player.
Oh, that's nice. From both players.
He's looking for the ball. Alex, come on, here we go. Let's go. Let's take it to him. Take it to him.
That's big hitting.
Come on.
Gael Monfils.
5-4 level.
Rally. Oh, wow. So opting to use the card in his serve. And he gets it.
Come on, guys.
13-12.
Wow.
He's going to come at you. That's what I said. Keep looking for the ball.
Going for the drop shot, but it's sat up. Oh, well played, Monfils.
Come on, come on.
12-4.
But Monf says not yet.
Oh, wow. Wow. Another great quarter from you. Now, this is your first ever UTS, and you look like you feel so comfortable out there. You've adjusted to it so well. Do you agree?
Yeah, I mean, I think after this I consider myself a UTS athlete.
Well, you need to win the tournament.
Yeah, let's scrap the tour and start playing UTS. It's an amazing format. I think Patrick and the team have done an unbelievable job of making this so fun for the players and fun to watch as well. So just thank you for the opportunity in the wildcard, I suppose.
Good to see he's healthy again as well.
1-0.
He's taking a little tumble, well, a big tumble actually. Gonna check he's all right. Hopefully you can just walk it off. It's not too serious.
Yeah, Nathaniel, his day-to-day physio, so hopefully he can get Monf back on his feet. Hobbling a little bit to the sofa. Oh, he's got a job on his hands, Monfils.
Maybe he said, don't make me run.
8-3.
So, unfortunately, Gael Monfils is going to retire from this match against Jack Draper due to an ankle injury. We do wish him all the best because he does take to the court a little bit later on against Holger Rune. So this match will go down as a 3-quarter to love victory for Jack Draper, and that will secure